Say goodbye to tangled wires and slow charging. Introducing the INIU wireless charger, a sleek, efficient, and reliable solution for all your charging needs. With over 38 million global users trusting INIU, it's no wonder this product is an Amazon Choice bestseller. Let's dive into what makes it the ultimate charging station. Highlighting key features. First, let's talk about speed. The INU wireless charger is equipped with cutting-edge 15-watt QI certified fast charging technology, providing rapid power boost for your devices, whether it's your Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, Google Pixel, LG, or Huawei. This charger adapts to your device's requirements effortlessly. That's not just convenience, it's efficiency redefined. Advanced technology. INU promises safety and innovation. Thanks to its exclusive NTC temperature guard battery protection, the charger monitors and regulates temperature in real time. This means your devices stay cool while charging, preventing overheating and prolonging battery life. Rest assured, your phone is always protected. Convenience and usability. No one likes glaring lights in the dark. INU understands this, which is why it features a self-adaptive LED indicator. Bright during the day, dim at night. It won't disturb your sleep. Plus, the dual superconductor coils allow for seamless charging, whether your phone is in landscape mode for watching videos or portrait mode for FaceTime and facial recognition. Built to last. Constructed with high-grade materials, the INU charger is designed for durability. INU backs this up with an industry-leading 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support. That's peace of mind for years to come. INU and experience the safest, fastest, and most reliable charging solution on the market. Order your INU wireless charger today and power up with confidence.